Let's look at a poem from Siri Kannada, grade 5. The name of this poem is Moodala Mane and it is written by Chandrasekhara Kambara. Moodala means the direction east and Mane means house. So before we look into the poem, first let us understand what the poem is about. So India is a land of unity in diversity. We all belong to different religions and castes, but we all live in one country, India. We celebrate different festivals and forget all the differences amongst us. So it's like we are living under the shelter of a vast tree, a vast or a huge tree called as India. So let's see how the tree and India is compared in this poem. ನಮ್ಮೂರ ಅಗಸ್ತ್ಯಾಗ ಆಲದ ಮರ ಬೆಳೆದು ಹಾದಿ ಬೀದೆಲ್ಲ ತಂಪು ನೆರಳ. Nammura means our village. Agastyaga at the main entrance. Alada mara bededu, a banyan tree has grown. So a banyan tree has grown at the entrance or the main entrance of our village. Hadi bidella tampu nerala. Hadi means on the path or the small lanes that are surrounding the tree. It is giving cool shade. Tampu is cool and nerala is shade. So this tree is giving cool shade to all its surroundings. Netti Gudala Haravi Tapava Madonyara Jadimuniya Jadiya Hanga Bilala. Netti Gudala. Netti means forehead and Kudalu means hair. So the hair on the forehead. Haravi means spread. Tapava Madonyara, who is sitting and doing meditation with his hair spread on his forehead. Jadimuniya Jadiya Hanga Bilala. Jadimuni means a sage or a rishi. And Bilala means aerial roots. So banyan tree, they have aerial roots. The roots are hanging from the branches. So these roots, they look like the hair of the sage. So if you see the picture here, if you look at this picture, you can see all the roots that are hanging here. They are all the aerial roots of the banyan tree that are hanging. So they resemble or they look like the hair of a sage. Okay, see here you can see like a picture of a sage here with all his hair that is hanging around his forehead. So this tree looks like a sage with his hair spread across on his forehead. Then Rembi Kombiya Myala Guda Kattidava Rekke Balita Hakki. So Rembi Kombi means on branches. They are all the branches. Myala is on, Guda is nest, Kattidava is built. Rekke Balita Hakki. The birds where their wings are fully grown. That means adult birds. So the adult birds, they have built nest on the branches of the tree. Gudinaga Malagyava Marihakki. Gudinaga means inside the nest. Malagyava sleeping. Marihakki, the baby birds or the chicks. So the birds have built nests and the eggs or the small chicks inside the nests are sleeping happily. So now India is compared to this banyan tree. This banyan tree, it gives cool shade, right? That means it gives so much of shelter to all the people under it. Okay, just like how the banyan tree gives a lot of shade for everything under it, so is India compared to the banyan tree, and it is given shelter to all the people living here. And then you see that the birds have built nests and the baby birds are sleeping peacefully in the nests. So are the people. The people are living here. They have their houses and they have their children. Everybody living peacefully and happily in this country. Next, Dura Deshada Valasiga Hakkigu Aiti Jaga Volaga. Dura Desha means far away countries. That is countries after India, outside India. Okay. Valasiga Hakkigu. Valasiga means migratory birds. Valasiga Hakki means migratory birds. if you know, birds migrate from one place to another during different seasons, right? So even for the migratory birds which come from far off countries, Aiti jaga volaga. Jaga is space. There is so much of space for even those birds which come from far off countries on this tree, on the banyan tree. Banniri neevu namma balaga. And the tree is welcoming all those migratory birds, saying, come, we will treat you as our friends and relatives. So India is also welcoming people from faraway countries, and it's ready to provide them also with shelter. Then next one is Haleya baviya talada neerinaga hasaru chigaratava. Haleya bavi means old well. Talada neerinaga. So there is some water at the bottom of the old well. Hasara chigurutava. So in that water, new greens are sprouting. Berige moliki odiyatava, and new roots are coming. New plants are sprouting and new roots are coming. So India is a very, very old country, right? It's been here for so many years. So generation after generation, people are living here. Just like how trees, they sprout, then again from the seeds of that tree, new sprout, new trees are coming again. So generation after generation, people are living here. In this old country. So the Haleya Bavi means the old well. India is like that old well. Okay, where generation after generation people are coming and living here. Bhuta Betala Jota Bavali Nyala Kugutava. Bhuta Betala means ghosts. This means ghosts. Jota Bavali. Bavali are the bats which hang from the tree. Nyala Kugutava. So they are all also sitting on the tree and making noise. So this is like saying that India has even bad people. It's not that it always has only good people. So there are a lot of bad elements also in this country. Along with good people, this symbolizes, this ghosts and bats, they are like symbolizing the bad elements also that are present in our country. Maradaga Karaga Kuniyutava. So in spite of that, in spite of having bad people, it's a mix of good and bad people, and all of them are living happily and dancing here. Marada Yele Neralu Maneya Gode Myala Adatava Ata. Mara is tree, Yele is leaves. The leaves of the tree, Neralu, the shadow of these leaves, are falling on the wall of a house. Maneya Gode Myala. Gode is wall and Mane is house. So the shadow of these leaves are falling on the wall of a house. And Artava Ata Nudyava Togala Gombiyata. So the way the shadow of the leaves are falling, and when there is breeze, the leaves will start shaking, right? So that looks like as though there is a puppet show going on. The shadow of the leaves on the wall, it looks like a puppet show is going on. If you see here in the picture, this leaves, the shadow is falling on the wall of this house. And you can see there are a lot of images here, and these look like as though there is a puppet show going on. Okay, so the shadow of the leaves falling on the wall of the house makes us assume that it's like a puppet show that is going on. Karula Balliya Kataya Heltava Nodri Shanta Chitta. So it is like telling the story of the bond between the people and the country here. And the poet is saying, watch it peacefully, with a peacefully, with a calm mind, watch this puppet show. Navunu Adara Bhaga Matra. And we are also a part of it. All of us, we are living in India, right? So we are also part of this puppet show that is happening. Because we are also like the leaves on the tree. And the leaves are telling us a story of the bondage that we have. So that's why we are also part of this story. So this is Moodala Mane.